Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking your Android version and freeing space. This avoids install errors. Next, enable Install Unknown Apps for your browser or file manager. This permits APK installs. After that, download the iOS Style Dialer APK and Matching Icon Pack, making sure signatures match. You should back up contacts and create a system restore point. Doing so prevents data loss if the new dialer misbehaves. Once done, locate the APK and files and tap Install to begin the process. You install the APK and must grant contacts, phone, and SMS permissions so call and contact data function correctly. Once installed, set the app as your default phone app in settings right arrow apps, right arrow default apps. This routes dialer intents to the new UI. Then, open the app and import the iOS Style Icon Pack, enable edge swipe gestures, and tweak T9 search behavior for faster dialing. Make sure to sync contacts and test incoming call display to confirm full integration. This explains why permissions matter. You finish by thoroughly testing. Place calls, check voicemail, examine call logs, and try call blocking. This verifies functional parity with iOS. If the app crashes or behaves oddly, clear its cache first, then reinstall the APK. If problems persist, revert to your original phone app in settings to restore stability. Make sure to manage updates manually and watch battery usage and granted permissions to maintain privacy. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke permissions and re-grant them if contacts or dialer integration fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.